Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about a bed sheet cover. So this is a duvet cover. So basically it's going to go on top of the bed sheet that you have on your bed and your pillowcases. So first off, when it comes out of the package, it comes with this cool traveling bag. So everything that comes in it is just two pillows, and it comes with that cover. It's a very colorful, very unique, very soft bed sheet. So let's go ahead and put this right on. Alright, so when we're installing this duvet cover, it comes with a big zipper, so you can basically just open this and you can start putting in your bed sheet original cover that you have. So here I have a gray one, so let me go ahead and stuff this right in. Alright, so this is the finished product. So I put it on the bed, so it looks really nice, super colorful. It is for anybody and anyone of every age. It goes really well with my backboard. It goes well with any color, to be honest. So if you want to give this a try, why not check it out?